So hello guys, it's me, Lefty HH. Today I'm gonna be playing FNAF 4. And let's jump right into it. Last time I played, Bonnie got me. I still remember that time. On stealth mode now! Nobody, don't get me, I'm scared, I'm a little child. I'm playing. Bring it on, Bonnie. I'm not afraid of you. Not gonna be afraid. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna be an idiot right now. Nice try, Bonnie! Okay, that was fun. Okay, first off, what is that noise? I can't figure it out. Okay, that's a car. Dang it. Oh boy! Now I gotta open that door. I'm not opening. Now I gotta open that door. Okay, he's gone. Perfect. Like I want it. If I get jump scared right now, I'm gonna be flipping out. For my measure, I'm putting that volume down. Okay, we're good. 2 a.m. not bad. Oh god. Boy. No. Not gonna open that. I'm just afraid to turn on the lights. Oh no. 3 a.m. already? No, that's bad. No. Chica. No one comes over here. No. I don't want no one here. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm good. I'm just scared. Oh, wait. Hello, Fredo. I seen you jump off that bed. Don't you think I did it? Mr. Fredo. Try to call me Mr. Freddy. I don't want Freddy over here. Oh no, this is worth the time. I got jump scared by the cupcake. No. So, Mr. Cupcake, you're not coming here, boy. I come at you, Freddy. Oh no. Oh god. I feel my heart panting. It's not gonna be a good sign. It's not a good sign. Not a good sign for Lefty. No. No. Oh, jeez. That's why. Oh, jeez. Oh, wait, I'm good. Uncle Freddy, don't get me. It's your friend Lefty, Freddy. Don't you dare, Freddy. Don't you dare. Oh, God, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m., boy. 5 a.m. Come on, I can get past. Right? Right? I can survive, right? Oh, jeez. Oh, God. 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 Oh, wait, never mind. I need to stop being scared. No. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yes, guys! Victory! Victory! Victory!
You get to go to
Oh!
Jacob.
Yeah.
You get to go to Balloon Boy or Plus Trap.
Oh no. One with Plush Trap. Oh no. Hello, Plush Trap. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, no. Move.
You gotta wait.
Move.
Yes, you gotta wait.
Move it.
No, you gotta wait till we like to 2 or 3. Okay.
Damn you, Plush Trap. Plush Trap, this is not funny, boy. I want to win. Come on, please. Please, Plush Trap. Plush Trap, what is your problem? Oh, wait, it's my problem, dude. Was he that? We'll have to give him a little time.
No.
No, 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 no. I think I just screwed myself, guys.
No. No.
Ooh. Come on, boy. We got a stealth mode. We got a stealth mode bunny here. Hello, stealth bunny. You want to play a little game? Plush Trap, I'm not playing with you.
Wait. Go.
Ooh.
Oh.
We just lost. Plush Trap, I hate you.
Go. 1. When it goes to 1, go.
Too bad. Well, at least I didn't die.
Too bad for what?
Oh, wait. Well, guys, I'm going to have to end the video. I'll do the night 2 on the next part. Well, bye.